Hello friends. In previous video I explained Introduction to C programming languages. Today we will study C constants. Okay. What is the constants in C programming languages? Constants refers to the fixed values that the program may not alter during its execution. Okay, so constant means what? It is a fixed values. We can't alter that value. Once you write the values, okay, to that particular variable, okay, if you assign some value to the particular variable, you can't change the values, okay, during its execution. These fixed values are also called literals. Constants can be of any of the basic data types like an integer constant, a floating constant, a character constant, or a string literal. There are enumeration constants as well. Okay, so constants can be of any basic data types. There are different basic data types in C programming language. Int means what? Only for integer numbers. Okay, only for whole numbers. You can't write any decimal point. Then floating constant. Floating constant means what? Only decimal points. Okay, you can include decimal point. Okay, whole number, then decimal point. Example 5.5, 5.7, like this. Okay, a character constant. Character constant means what? Any letters. Okay, any, it may be a capital letter, uppercase, lowercase, any single letter. A string. A string letter means what? A word or a sentence, a group of letters. Okay, many letters. Okay, that is string. Okay, so constant means you can't change the values. Okay, so here is the one simple program. Okay, so here this is a common header file, stdio.h main function. Then this is the comment. Okay, if you write double slash, means what? It is a comment. Okay, means this is not a part of the program. Okay, just to understand. Okay, so it's telling that it is a constant. Okay, so this is not a part of the program, just to understand. Okay, just for us to understand what is the meaning of this sentence. Okay, you just write double slash, then you can write anything. Okay, but that is not a part of the program. Okay, so here const means what? Constant. Okay, this is the keyword. Okay, so int value 10. Okay, so here initialize a int val means what? It is a variable name. Okay, equal to 10. So you can't alter this value 10. Okay, so this 10 is fixed now. You can't change the value now. Okay, so means what? Is a constant. You can't change. Okay, if you write const, it become constant. If you not write const, it's become a variable, not a constant. Okay, if you write const, it become a constant. If you write constant, you can't change the values. Okay, similarly float also. Const float. Float means you can write include decimal point. Const character as any letter, maybe uppercase, lowercase. Then a string. Okay, ABC, any string. Okay, then it displays. Okay, printf is the output statement to display message. Integer constant. Okay, so what is integer constant? 10. So this is the output. So what it displays? Integer constant 10. Then floating point constant. Okay, floating point constant 4.14. Then character constant, that is a. So it displays what? A here. Okay, so string constant, string val contain what? ABC, so it displays ABC. Okay, so these are the variable name. So it contains the values 10, float val contain 4.14, char val contain a, string val contain ABC. So here it displays the values. Okay, these are the variables. Okay, these are all the variables. Int val variable, float val variable. So it contains some values. It contains these values like this. If you write this variable here, it displays the values like this. Clear? No? So this is about the constant. I just execute and show you, so it become very clear to you. Okay. So this is the program. Okay, you just compile. Just compile the program. Okay, display success, then run the program. Okay, then display the output. Okay, so what it displays? So here int value 10, no? So it displays what? Integer constant 10. Then float value 4.14, floating point constant 4.14, like this. Okay, then string constant a, then string character constant a, string constant abc. Okay, that's the output. Let's see alt F5. This is the output. Okay. Okay, so here if you want to change, okay, here int value is equal to 10. If you again write int val equal to 20, okay, so if you compile, okay, it gives error message, cannot modify constant, cannot modify const object. Okay, once you initialize the values, you can't change the values. Okay, so just delete it. If you want to change, you can this value you can change the initial value. If you want, you can change the initial values. Okay, so it displays what? 20. Okay, clear? No, you can't change the values. Once you initialize, that is fixed. Later you can't change. Clear? No? Okay, so this is about the constant. Okay, in next video I will explain C variables. Clear? No? Okay.